Did your app stop opening after a recent Windows 11 update? Crashing on launch, not responding, or refusing to open at all? In this video, I'll show you simple and effective ways to fix app launch problems. Solution 1. Repair corrupted system files. First, search for CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now copy the command SFC Scan from the video description. Paste it into command prompt and press Enter. Wait until the verification reaches 100%. Once the scan is complete, close the command prompt window. Next solution, fix exe file associations in Registry Editor. Now search for Registry Editor. Click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Before making any changes, let's create a backup. Click on File. Click on Export. Select a location to save the backup file. Click on Save. If you ever want to restore your previous registry settings, click on File, then Import, select the backup file, and import it. Now expand HKY_classes assert. Find and click on .exe. Double-click on Default. Make sure the value data is set to exafile. Now find and click on exafile. Double-click on Default. Make sure the value data is set to application. Next, expand exafile. Expand shell. Click on Open. Double-click on Default. Make sure the value data field is empty. After checking these settings, close the Registry Editor. Next solution, reset Windows Store cache. Now search for sreset.exe. Click on sreset.exe to run it. Wait for the process to finish automatically. Next solution, re-register Windows apps using PowerShell. Now search for PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Copy the command from the video description. Paste it into PowerShell and press Enter. Wait for the process to complete. Once finished, right-click on the Windows Start button and restart your PC. That's it. After restarting, your apps should open normally again in Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials and fixes.